It's day 2 of Vagabond Vacation in Costa Rica. We're now at the Mystico hanging bridges. This is an absolutely breathtaking location, lush jungles and very high, very long hanging bridges over the jungle.
You're from Costa Rica. What is the thing they always say in Costa Rica?
Pura vida! It's like a whole lifestyle, like chilling, relax yourself. You're in Costa Rica, you're living the pura vida life.
Yes.
Yeah.
Alright, so it's the best example of pura vida right here. I already said in another video that it's a good idea as a photographer to sometimes be the model, then you kind of know what it feels like to have a camera pointed at you and also what it feels like to be directed. So we got a very good example here. Natasha, who is shooting Cameron. How does it feel, Cameron?
Oh, it feels great. I always wanted to be the model.
Oh, okay, maybe he's gonna come back on the next Vagabond Vacation as a model.
Sun so bright and I don't see screen very well.
It's okay.
Ah, now the models also feel the struggles of the photographers. Juan wants to take a photo with one of the models inside the tree here. That's of course buck territory.
They're more afraid of you than you are of them.
Yeah, okay.
In this case probably not, but still.
Okay, I'm going to come back the same way. Yeah, maybe it's not a good idea.
Oh my god!
Okay, I can say now that she was there and I saw a spider like this.
Where?
Yeah, 1 meter from you.
Really?
Yeah. So we are not going again inside.
No, I'm never going up there. ever
Stay
again.
in the path, please, guys. Stay in the path.
Alessia doesn't seem to be afraid for a buck or two, so she's gonna be brave enough to take the shot here. Oftentimes the best photos are the hardest ones for, well, usually the hardest for the model. One is standing here, he's pretty comfortable.
So,
yeah, if you come to the jungle, you gotta fucking go in, right? Yes.
of course.
So now you go into the jungle, huh? Come on.
No, but they can't shoot from here. I have an 85, so I can stay 5-6 meters.
Yeah, we're pretty lucky. Last time we were here, hard lights, but now it's all shadow, and the models have a little bit of oil. Look how they glisten. Look how they shine.
There's kind of 2 tips of camera settings that I picked up from Juan. The color profile, he shoots in portrait, where I'm used to shooting on neutral. Secondly, he shoots the white balance on shade, shadow, all the time, every situation, always. The skin already looks warmer. It motivates you to kind of see what your color edit is gonna go towards. So if you have a preview that matches your end result the most, it kind of gives you an impression already in advance and motivates you that you're on the right track. So we're gonna go down the road of the waterfall to shoot upwards and have a girl lay down on the bridge. Brandon is gonna help me take that shot because he's got a longer lens than me.
So there's this tunnel here, and Juan has a colored light, so he's gonna try now to probably put the lights in the back so that you have some color there, and then the model can be on the front.
That's a baby slide.
Yeah, they're moving.
Oh, there they go.
So we got one of the participants that for some reason has some monkey genes, it seems. So yeah, on Vagabond Vacations, not only model photographers, but you also become a wildlife photographer. That's just a little bonus that you didn't know about.
Day 3 of Vagabond Vacations, our international content creation and workshop event. We're in Costa Rica, in the beautiful, relaxed Termalitas hot springs. The whole gang is ready to start shooting, so we're gonna go there right now and start this thing off.
One by one, the models are getting into the water here. It's actually a hot spring, so it feels very, very nice. We're gonna pose them here on this rock and take a group shot here. Usually with the group shots, the girls are kind of like all together, and it looks like a little bit boring and more touristy. But this is pretty cool that they all have their own spots. Alessia has that rock there, Audrey the other rock, somebody will be on the stairs. So it will be like a little bit more spread out here in this amazing location. That's so funny. Sonny is like almost drowning here in the water. Pretty risky behavior.
Can everybody say hi to my mom? It's her birthday.
How is it, Natasha?
It's very good. Like I want to shoot implied, but there's a family that keeps walking by, so I can't. Like I'm trying to take my titties out. Get your children away from here.
Oh wow, this is more hot than what I usually shower in. My testicles, I'm now gonna enjoy this. Oh fuck, oh my god. Oh no, so unpleasant. Oh, good BTS though.
We got Costa Rica and USA in the house. USA, Canada, Spain, Belgium. Yeah. Starting to sweat, and I just looked at Juan.
Yeah.
He's already soaking.
I'm sweating a lot.
Out of here.
I think we're gonna try to figure out how we can take more shots in the water without burning up though. It's so hot.
Yes. Camille's gonna do a little hair flip here. I'm gonna try to capture that. That looks nice on video. I hope also on photo, yeah?
Yeah, we'll see.
I like how you just slapped it.
Okay.
So they're trying to get a shot here of her in the air when she dives. Let's go!
How was it?
Pretty good.
Drowning. Cool. Oh, thank you.
Now everybody wants to try out the water slide.
Yes!
Juan is actually trying to take a photo of somebody on the slide. That's for sure quite a difficult shot.
Cameron is very slippery today. He's very shiny. He might just shoot at you like a cannonball out of there.
Can't always be running around to the camera, right? Sometimes you gotta have some other fun as well.
Now it's my turn to go. It's chill.
Here you go.
I'll do it.
You wanna go on the slide?
Yes!
I will try to do standing. I mean, what's the difference between going forward and backwards? What could go wrong?
Let's go, Vagabond! Vagabond! Vagabond!
Good luck, Sonny.
Nothing dangerous. Sometimes you don't have to shoot to have fun, you know. The cliff jumping, that's also pretty fun.
Okay, one more.
We finished the shoot. I think everybody's hungry, so follow along. We'll go to a restaurant now. Maybe have a little party, who knows. So let's all get in the van and then eat. What are you going to get the
Feels like the end goal here.
We had an amazing dinner, as you can see from all the smiling faces. And don't forget, if you want to make friends like this, have amazing experiences, go to vagabond.com.